Hey everyone, it's me, Coach Tony Morgan, and we're back on another conversation. And today's conversation is entitled How to Serve Your Customer. And today I'm going to demonstrate how I serve my customers in my day-to-day running of my business, and hopefully can give you a few tips to help you. Maybe you're doing it already, maybe you're not. Just a few tips to improve your customer relations. So the first thing what I do, I always contact the customer, let them know I'm on the way. But the relation with the customer is actually built up before this initial phone call, what I'm going to make. Where it actually starts, it starts from when they're looking for you. Now, how they find me is normally through the internet. They'll do a Google search because I've got lots of Google reviews, so they're going to look through the reviews and going to be hopefully impressed what they read, and then they're going to click through to the website. From there, they're going to look at the website. The website's got a great professional presence. They're going to be impressed. That's going to give them that sort of feeling of trust, that they think, oh, this company's sound like they're looking good. I like everything what I've read and seen. So it sets a tone for the customer to be comfortable to make that phone call. So they make the phone call and get through to our call centre. It's answered professionally. The customer is to go through all the options, because we have different options to repair the boiler. So to go through all that, to go through the price structure, customer's happy with all that, and they say, yeah, get an engineer out. The job then comes through to me, and then it's time for me to ring the customer and tell them I'm on the way. So what I'm going to do now is ring a customer, which I'm on transit en route, and you can listen to the conversation between the customer and myself. Hi, yeah, it's Tony from A now. You alright?
Yeah? Yeah, I'm alright, thank you.
Yeah, I'm just letting you know I'm on the way. I'll be about 10
Are you on the okay?
minutes.
That's fine, I will let my husband know, okay?
Okay then.
Bye,
See you in a
bye.
bit. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, that was a quick call. But I'll let them know I'm on the way. So it's just keeping that relationship going, that they trust what I say, they trust the company, and they're happy to proceed doing business. So when we get to the customer, we'll carry on from there, and then you'll see the rest of the interaction with the customer. Okay, I've arrived on site, and I'm just going to go over with the problem with the customer and just ask him what the problem is, and then we can take it from there. So, Mr. Customer, explain to again what's been happening.
The boiler on the right side.
Yeah.
Don't want to start.
Okay.
Don't. It's not going. The gas one, and it's not started.
Okay. How long has it been doing this? When did it start?
2 days now.
About 2 days. So before that, it's working fine, no problem.
No, before we have a problem with the
Okay.
replacement.
Okay, so you change this, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
And
that's the sum of the thermostat, that is, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. And then from there, then it was working okay?
Yes.
Alright. And then, so after that was fitted, it was fine, and then it broke down again?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, no problem. Well, I'll check out, see what's what. And then, so that's that's to do with the
Yes.
motorised valve.
I don't know how it.
Yeah.
Wait, get that.
Anyway, I'm going to check, do some diagnostics,
Yes.
find out what's what, and then I'll let you know, and we'll take it from there. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Nice one. Yeah, to remove the boiler cover, you got them 2 screws there, as you said, yeah. And then once you remove them, it just lifts off then. So, as I said, we're going through the process of how we serve our customers. and you can see it live for yourself, going through the process of the whole. That's it. Now what we're going to do now, we're going to add the appliance details on our Commisoft software. So what we do first, you click on this where it's the top corner there, yeah, click there and click on appliances, and then click on that plus button, and then go to appliance group, boilers, and then you've got appliance. Go on, that's going to be a condensing boiler, the second one from the bottom. Yeah. And then you got the make, so tap to select. And then we're going to look for a Potterton, so scroll down, that's it. To get to Potterton.
That one?
Just above the top one, that's it, yeah. And then, let that move, that should disappear. Then you go to select model. Nothing's up there. Okay, we're going to add, if there's nothing there, go to add new model. Now the model, we're going to look on the boiler itself. So if we go here, 12 heat ERP. Stick it at the top. There, that's it. If you scroll down a bit more, location, airing cupboard. That's it. Serial number here, it's uppercase PRT. And then it's 1606.
Just a second. 1606.
400. 11. Uppercase B, uppercase C.
Yeah.
So let's go again.
Yeah.
Your GC number now's there. Because if that's not there, because that's what's missing. So if you see that, that's what's not right.
Alright. Okay.
So the GC number is 41.
41.
59234.
9234.
Yeah. So now do your tick, and that's now saved. So that's how you add your appliance.
Right.
Okay. We do this because if we need parts in the future, we've got the serial number, the GC number. It's easy for us to then go on our customer's records and order parts easily.
Right.
It's all part of serving the customer and keeping things easy for yourself. Okay, the situation now is I've explained to the customer of the problem that we now need a possible, well, it's definitely the flow switch, and there's a bit of doubt on the PCB. So they know the full score, but what's happened, it's put me behind. We're now behind on schedule. So what we got to do now, I'm going to have to let other customers know the situation. So I'm going to phone the next customer, just explaining what we're going to do, explaining so they know what's going on and you're keeping them informed. So I'm going to ring this customer now and you're going to hear what I'm going to say to them.
Welcome to the EE voicemail. I'm sorry, but the person you've called...
Well, looks like he's not answering, so hopefully I'll ring back in a minute and then we'll be able to discuss the situation and just let him know where we're up to, so at least the customer knows what's happening. Alright, well I didn't get through to that guy, you know, so I'm going to ring another customer and again just going to inform them, let them know what's happening. Keeping your customer in the loop, it's all part of serving our customers. So I'm going to make a call to this customer called Joseph and see what he says. Hi, this is Tom from A&R. Is it Joseph about, or are you looking after things?
No, I'll be here. I'll let her know.
Okay, no problem. I'm just running a bit behind. My day's not going too good. A job which just went a bit longer than I thought, really. So I'm just running a bit behind and just letting you know the situation.
Oh, don't worry. One of my children's napping, so we can't do much. So we're just
Okay, so
how long do you think?
I'd say it's going to be probably more around, say, between 4 and 5, something like that.
So 4 and 5. Okay.
But if any sooner, I'll phone you and let you know.
Great. Okay, thanks very much.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Again, keeping the customer informed, all part of serving our customers, good customer relations, and this is what we have to do. We have to keep monitoring the situation, because obviously you can see the other job didn't go to plan and it throws your day out, and this is what happens in reality. So it's all part of having that great image, good customer services, and that's what we're here to do. Okay guys, we've now finally finished that marathon job. The customer has paid. They're paid by backs, direct into the account. No quibbling, it was all done effortlessly. The job wasn't done effortlessly. It was even for my expertise, it was a big challenge because of the way the faults was. And then we had other challenges. We had airlocks in the system, which we had to do, and a few things as well. But it's all done, and we've got the most important thing of all. We've got a 5-star review at the end of it from the customer. So that is the art of serving your customers. So hopefully this was a great video for you to learn from, the challenges involved in diagnostics and repair. But you've got to keep your shape, you've got to keep your composure no matter what. You've got to show your professionalism. So that's going to be the ending for this video. I hope you enjoy what you're seeing, as I said. So that's it from me, and I'll see you on the next video.